Hey guys, Lila here, and today we are back on Scratch making a game called Fishball.
All right. So first thing we need to do is we need to be able to control the cat.
Yeah.
And to control the cat in this game, we're going to make it follow the mouse pointer.
Okay, so we're going to be like, oh, get over here, no, get over here, no, get over here, no, no.
Yep, you'll chase it all over the place.
So it's like, it's like he's following a mouse toy.
Yep. So we need the point, or go to the mouse pointer is what we need. Go to mouse pointer.
Which would be right here.
Yeah, and then we need the forever loop. You remember where that's at?
It's in the Pac-Mans.
Yep. And that way...
Wait, hang on, so like... Oh, wait, we need an event.
Yep, we do need an event. So let's go find the event.
It says flag. Okay, can I activate it right now?
Sure.
Oh! Hotcha!
Okay, go up and stop it so we can... Okay.
Now we need to get him back over here.
Yep.
So he doesn't fly off the screen.
So now we made the cat stick to the mouse pointer. That was easy, so we can move the cat around, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we need the ball. So let's go find the soccer ball.
It just says ball soccer right here.
Perfect. Okay.
I just double clicked it.
And what we want it to do is to move and then bounce. So.
And I see on here. Okay, so
we need another event. Yep.
Flag.
And then we need a forever loop, which is under control.
Another Pac-Man.
Another Pac-Man.
Pac-Mans must be hungry. Wait, can I put that in there?
No. And then inside the Pac-Man, we need move 10 steps.
Move 10. Okay, so that's good.
Perfect. And that goes inside the Pac-Man. Nom nom nom.
And I see on here we need an if touching cat, so.
Nope, not yet. We need if on edge bounce. That way we don't lose it by having it just go random.
Okay.
So if on edge bounce. Perfect. Okay. So if you hit the flag now, the ball is just moving back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Wait, hang on. Can't I just do this and then he'll follow my...
All right, perfect.
Let's go ahead and stop it.
Yeah.
And I think the cat's in the corner. I think he's about to skydive.
Yep. Go and move him back where we can see him. Okay, so now we want the ball to bounce off the cat because right now it just kind of runs around, right?
Yeah.
So we need to add the if touching cat. Remember where those were at under sensing?
Okay, so is it an if then?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
And
you should find the touching. It's the top one. And that goes.
We don't want the mouse pointer. We want no.
Why is it not showing? Let's check something out here. Let's do this, and if we go here, and we can rename the sprite somewhere. Info, maybe. There it is. We'll name it Cat. Okay. Oops.
I guess we just had to get out of there.
And then if we go back, if this should show cat. Interesting, it doesn't.
Maybe. Oh wait, I think I know what it is. You have to get a new one.
You have to get a new cat?
No, not a new cat, just a new.
A new one of these?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's see. No. So for whatever reason it doesn't like this. So oh, you know why? Because we're on the cat. We're working on the wrong sprite. So you have to click the ball.
Oh, so that's why it wasn't showing.
Yeah. So then what did we have? We had a control, right?
Oh yeah,
if this then.
Okay, can I get that?
Yep. And then we go, yep. Let's see if cat shows up now.
False.
Cat. There we go. Perfect. We figured it out.
We have to put that in there?
Yep. So, and it goes right under the if on edge. So we're going to have a Pac-Man inside a Pac-Man.
I've done like 4 Pac-Mans inside of 1 Pac-Man.
Okay. And now let's go to sound. Because we want it to make a sound when it hits.
Yeah.
Yep. Play sound pop. There you go.
What did I just do?
Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to make it bounce in random degrees. So under more motion, we need the point towards cat.
Wait, is it actually just point towards cat?
Yep, point towards. There it is. Can you change that to cat? Perfect.
Where does this go?
It goes right under the sound.
So, in the if then.
Yep. And then we need it to turn 180 degrees.
Okay, so which way? Left or right?
Let's go right.
Like so, right is this way.
180. Okay.
You can do that because you have control of the keyboard.
We'll put that in there. And then we want it to move 10 more steps.
Control. Wait,
Nope.
it's not in control.
There you go. You got it. Perfect. Okay. So now if we start it.
Are we going to start the game?
Yep, start it. We'll just start it and see what happens. Whoa. There you go. Isn't that cool? You made the ball bounce off the cat. All right.
I know how we can get it a lot.
All right. Okay. So now,
I want the cat now.
okay. So we got that bouncing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we need it to set a goal. So we're gonna need 2 more sprites.
Oh wait, we need sprites. I thought we needed data.
Yeah, well, let's go get 2 more sprites.
Which ones?
We want the button number 1. And
Hey, look, it's on his face.
yeah, put it over to the right. Yep, that's good for now. And then we need button number 5 as well.
Okay, 1.
Right there. Perfect.
Wait, why is this an X? Oh, wait, I'm like true, false.
Okay. So, do you remember last time we made a scoreboard? Remember doing that?
Let me guess, we're doing it again.
Perfect. Yep. So we need to make a variable.
A variable.
And we're going to call this one score for all sprites and hit OK. So now we have the variable.
Are we supposed to be on button 5?
What?
Oh wait, doesn't it just say want everything right?
Yeah.
Okay, because now like if I go on to button 1, it still says. Why did I say says? It still stays. There we go.
Yeah. Let's double check where we make this go to. So I think we have to make. So if we do this over here and this over here, so we have the score. I wonder if we do it here. So let's see.
That's on button 1.
Yeah. So that's up there, and then we can just leave that. Set score, change score by 1. I think that's all right. Okay, so now inside the soccer ball, we're going to need to make a new script to tell it when it scores, right? So we're going to make another, and then we need to set score to 0,
Okay.
which is probably under data.
Let's get set score to 0.
Yeah, because that's at the beginning of each game. It's going to restart, right?
Restart.
Yeah. And then we need to rename. That's what we need to do here. I think we need to rename this to start.
Wait, the X is start?
Yep.
Really?
Yep. So that way, that's where the ball's going to start every time.
Oh,
So if we go back to the soccer ball and we do, I think it's motion, and then go to, right? And there should be start. Perfect. Okay. So, and I think we can just add these. Let's see. So if we want to make this happen every time we start it, I think we can just add that right here. That should work, right? If we take this off and we just set this right here, do this, we don't need a separate one because it still works in the same link, doesn't it?
Yeah, but where's the fish?
Oh, we haven't done a fish yet, huh? We'll have to do that soon, huh?
Yeah, we need a fishy.
We'll get to the fish. So,
after all, it is called fish ball.
so now if we hit this, let's see what happens. So, yep, I went to the ball. See, it starts bouncing around already.
Hang on, let me do something.
Go, go, go.
You know what? Oh.
Okay. You and your repetitive sounds. Okay, so I think now we need to make it score, and we should be able to do that by adding this to the ball as well, right? So if it's touching the goal, which is what this is going to be named, info, we're going to name this.
Can you name it?
Sure.
Okay, so GOAL. Wait, is that the wrong thing?
Yeah.
L.
Okay, now hit the little back arrow.
I just had to press the enter button.
Okay. So now, if we go back to the soccer ball, I believe if we go to control and we do an if then, and sensing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Touching goal.
Oh.
Is this all starting to make sense?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then I think we can add that in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense. I just think we should make a sound. How's that sound?
Yeah, wait, can I choose the sound?
Sure. Play sound, except we're going to have to add some, I think. Yeah. So we got to go to sounds, choose sound from library. Now let's not take too long and make too much noise, because I'm sure nobody wants to listen to endless noise. There's hand clapping. There's a rattle sound.
Wait, is there a snowball?
You want a snowball for when you score a goal?
Yeah.
Or a trumpet might be a cool one.
Zoop.
Yeah, that's probably fine.
Yay.
Okay.
Now,
So now I'll go back to script.
scripts.
Perfect.
Now I should.
Zoop. Is that the sound you want it to make?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boop.
Okay. So now we want to change the score by 1.
Data. Change score by 1.
Perfect. And then whenever you score, I think we want it to go back to the start. So we're going to make it wait a second so it doesn't happen immediately. And then go back to start.
Okay, so where is this?
Probably under motion. Go to, yeah, see where it says go to mouse pointer? Perfect. Grab that guy. And start should be in there. Perfect. Drag that down there.
So really the most you could get would be 30. Or however much time I got, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, however many goals, I don't think it, yeah. Okay, so we've got all that done. Do we want to set a time limit?
Uh-huh.
I think we should, right? So let's go in. Do you remember how to do it? Yep, data, perfect. Make a variable. And we're going to call this one time.
TGI, what?
And hit, hit OK. Perfect.
I hit enter.
All right. So now we want to go to the cat, and we're going to add the time one. So go cat, and we can add this right under where it says, yep. So in between there and the Pac-Man, we're going to add a series of commands. We want to set the time to 30.
We don't, wait, what? Not 0.
No, not 0. 30. Okay, so put that in there. Perfect. And then we're going to repeat. So we need another repeat.
Forever?
Nope, repeat for, yep, we're going to make that 30. Okay. Nope. Need it to be, it might be easier if you separate them. Pull that one off, put that one on.
Wait, set time to...
Nope.
Set time to 30 times?
Yeah, no. There you go. All right, so we need to put set time to 30 first. Remember, it's like a ladder. We're climbing down our ladder. Mm-hmm. And then repeat 30 times.
Wait, hang on, so we're going to
perfect. Yeah,
repeat 30 times right here.
Nope. So we need more commands to repeat. Oh, we're trying to make a clock countdown right now, okay? And what happened to the rest of our cat script?
That's
it right there. Okay. I'm like,
we had a very small script.
Where'd it go? I was looking for a long script. Okay, so what we need to do is tell it to wait 1 second, because we're just making it count down a second, right?
Right here?
Yep. So we're going to make it wait a second, and then we're going to change time by -1. Yep. And that needs to go right under, wait 1 second, inside the repeat. And then we can attach that back. So what happens is when you start the game, it sets the timer to 30. And then 30 times it'll wait a second, deduct a second, wait a second, deduct a second, wait a second, deduct a second. And the whole time is going to be following the mouse pointer. Does all that make sense? Okay.
Gotta get the fishy.
And then I think we need to make it stop, right? So I think if we go to control, stop all, maybe we have to have 2 different scripts for this.
Drop everything!
Yeah, wait a minute! I think we need 2 different scripts just to make it easier because we don't want that interacting. Yeah, I think that's right because otherwise it'll stop everything.
Drop everything!
Yeah, so that won't work. Okay, so now we've got a time. We've got the cat moving around by our mouse pointer.
And trying to hit the soccer ball.
Yeah, we've got the balls going to bounce around and score goals, right? Why don't you play a game and see what happens? So hit.
First, can I get a backdrop?
Nope.
Okay.
Not yet. See if you can hit it into the green. There it is. Okay, perfect. Got it. Okay, let's go ahead and stop it. So it's working so far. Beautiful.
Skydive!
Well done. Okay. So, now didn't we say we were going to have a fish in here somewhere? I think the fish is going to be the goalie. So he's going to try and stop the goal from happening. So we need to go find fish.
It's probably going to be under animals.
There's a shark and there's a fish. A couple different fish.
I would like a frog. Just kidding.
You can use a frog.
Really?
Or a ladybug. Sure. It doesn't have to be
or
a fish.
Penguin.
Be whatever you want.
Penguin.
All right, do a penguin. All right, so now we have our penguin, right?
Waddle, Daddy. Waddle, waddle, waddle.
Okay, so let's start with making him.
Wait, it's not fish ball anymore. It's penguin ball.
Yeah, so the fish is huge, right? So
wait, we need it to be ginormo,
set
gunmo.
size. Let's make him smaller. I think that's way too big.
50.
Yeah, so we'll
Can
do that.
I?
Yeah.
Set him. Boop.
Yeah, does that look better?
Can I do it again?
Well, let's do a little bit of script and then you can play some more, okay? So we want him to go to the goal. So let's start with that.
So we need him to.
Yeah, but we want to add that to the script. So we need motion.
He's like,
I'm guarding the goal. So we want him to go to the goal. There you go. Yep, click on that.
Don't do that.
Go to goal.
Okay. Now I need to do this.
Perfect. So we're going to add that right under set size to 50%. Perfect. And now we want him to point towards the soccer ball and move 4 steps. And that's going to be inside a Pac-Man.
Goal? Or
No,
wait, no.
soccer ball. Yep.
Okay, point towards. What Pac-Man?
The forever one.
Wait, forever set size to 50.
Not all that. Just this part.
Oh, forever set size to 50. He's gonna get real small.
Well, we're just repeating it, right? And we're going to have him move. We'll say 4 steps and see what happens.
It's really tiny.
Yeah, so that's going to make him move around to try and stop.
Can I press the 4 steps and see how many he actually
Well, why don't you wait, okay?
Okay.
So, now we need to make the ball bounce off our penguin.
It's getting real intense up in here.
So, I think we can just add that down here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we should be able to. Was that under data? No, it's under control, right?
Mm-hmm.
If sensing, touching, soccer ball, right? Or penguin. Yeah, if if touching the penguin, then we're going to do some of the same stuff. So we're going to make it play pop.
Oh, ready for some infinite
So essentially,
sounds.
we're making it act exactly like we did for the cat. Okay.
They're both human animals.
So point towards penguin. And then we're going to make it turn just like on the other one, right?
Turn 180.
Good job. Good memory. 180. And then we're going to make it move 10 steps. And I think we can just put that right here.
Holy, he's got a lot of Pac-Man.
Yeah, that ball's got a lot of stuff going on, right?
Yeah, kind of like a real soccer ball.
So now we need to set the backdrop. You want to go in and get a backdrop? There should be a soccer backdrop.
Drop everything. The brick wall. Just kidding.
So if you go to sports,
It's probably where it would be.
and then goal 1 or goal 2.
I like the wall.
Okay. Bang. Okay. So
Okay,
now.
do we need to move this stuff?
Yep.
You're going
You want it to be like right in the middle. No.
There.
You want it to be like right in the middle of the goal.
Oh.
You know, I wonder if we hide this, if it'll still bounce off it. Because that way we don't have to see it.
Yeah, because that's kind of a little annoying.
So what do you think? Do you think it... Should we try that and see what'll happen?
Yeah.
Motion... Isn't hide right here? No.
No, wait, I know where it is.
Let's see it. Oh, it's under looks. No, I think it's under looks.
Not that one. No, I need to press the right thing.
Yep, there it is. Hide.
Can I do it?
Sure.
Okay, or can I just click hide?
Uh-huh. But you need to start the game and see...
How this reacts?
Yeah, see if...
Wait, can I play?
Yep. It looks like...
Penguin, what are you doing to me?
Yeah, okay, so it went right through it. So if you hide it, it won't work. So we're not going to be able to do that.
Penguin's upside down.
Oops.
Show.
So we need to show, right? Whoop, there it is. All right, now we can delete that. All right, so unfortunately, we do have to have that. There, maybe someone out there has an idea of a way to make that invisible.
If you guys do, please put in the comments.
Yeah, and this one, I think this guy we can probably set its size a lot smaller too. So if we set this to like 10% maybe.
Oh, wait, are you doing it? Are you doing it?
Yeah, because it's still going to act the same, right?
No, Daddy, I mean, like, are you going to change the penguin to 10%? Just kidding.
No. You like the size of the cat? I think the cat size is pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, so are you ready to try it?
Yep.
All right. Go for it.
Wait, we could probably set this to 10, but
Well, if you make that small, the ball's...
you're going to have to hit the small space.
Yeah, so, I mean, we can probably make it smaller if you want.
Yeah, because it's just right big and bulky out in the open.
So...
Maybe like 90?
Oh, why don't we do like 50? So the ball's going to have to... I mean, that's still pretty decent size, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if we start everything...
Hi, penguin.
Yeah, see?
Oh, wait, he just knocked it into his own goal. Thanks, penguin.
It's working good. All right. What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. So which one should we're going to call this fish ball?
Fish. Wait, penguin ball.
Penguin ball.
Because there's no fish.
How do you spell penguin?
U-Q-I-N.
All right. So we can share this guy. It saves it automatically. So now other people can go and play our game.
I think they're gonna have to.
So we'll set all the instructions and stuff for other people if they want to come and see it.
Mm-hmm. Wait, we need to reset this. Oh wait, but when you click the flag.
Yeah, when you click the flag, right?
Yeah, and then we can just press stop.
Yep. So do you want to try it?
Yeah, on the actual, like, where we hit it.
Where you what?
Like right
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so you make it full screen.
Yep. Okay.
Click the flag, and away you go.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
1.
Zoop! I think we need zoops. Right? Get over here! Get over here!
2.
No, with that! Now's not the time!
3.
Oh, 4.
Time's up.
Sweet!
Alright, so that's our game of penguin ball. We will include a link to the game itself in the description of the video. If you have any questions, feel free, and Eli will do everything he can to answer them for you.
Yeah, and Daddy, why don't you take a try?
Oh, I gotta take a try? Alright.
Try and beat 4.
Alright, I will take a try. Here we go. You had 4? Got her, penguin. Go!
This penguin's good at this game.
Yeah, penguins play a lot of soccer. I don't know if you knew that. 3!
He just knocked it into his own goal.
4! What am I trying to get 4?
Really? What am I trying to get 4?
Oh, what? Get out of there, penguin!
Oh yeah! One more time. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.